You're not stuck, you're comfortable. And that comfort, it's killing your drive, your hunger, and everything you were supposed to become. You think you're safe, but you're actually trapped. Not in chains, but in softness. And if you don't wake up soon, that version of you, the disciplined, powerful one, will die in your sleep. Comfort doesn't show up like danger. It doesn't punch you in the face. It just whispers, "You're doing fine. Just rest today. You've earned it." And you listen. One skipped workout, one more cheat day, one more episode. But what you don't notice is you're not resting, you're rotting. Not all at once, slowly, quietly, like rust on metal. And by the time you notice it, you're not who you used to be. You wake up, but not really. You get through the day, but don't live it. You not used to chase something. Now you chase dopamine. Food, phone, comfort, distraction. You don't feel bad, you just don't feel anything. That's the trap. You're not lazy. You're comfortable. And comfort is the silent killer of men who could have become monsters. It doesn't scream. It whispers, "You're okay as you are." But you're not okay. You're losing yourself. One soft choice at a time. Then one day you look in the mirror, not physically, mentally, and what you see, a man going through the motions. He's not dead, but he's not really alive either. You miss your fire. You miss your hunger. That's when you realize comfort didn't protect you. It buried you under convenience. And if you want to feel alive again, you don't need motivation. You don't need a new habit tracker. You need to bury the old version of you, the soft one, the one who hit snooze, the one who negotiated with discipline. So you stand up at 5 a.m., no crowd, no music, no reward, just pain, cold air, and silence. But that's where it begins. Every representative, every cold shower, every disciplined choice isn't just progress, it's execution. You're killing the version of yourself that comfort kept alive for too long. And every drop of sweat is a funeral. Not because you hate yourself, but because you're finally done lying. If you feel numb, tired, stuck, it's not because you're weak. It's because you've been too comfortable for too long. That comfort has become your prison, and the only way out is through suffering, through fire, through war. So here's your truth. Your comfort is killing you. If this hits something inside you, don't scroll, subscribe. The war has just begun.